This was the first attempt of drawing hand without using any reference and without having any general knowledge. And this is the progress so far. I'm gonna show you the results after practicing for a week about hands. So stick around. Okay, day 1. Understanding the structures of hand. Okay, forget about drawing hands. First of all, we need to break them into simple shapes like squares and cylinders, circles. I'll use cylindrical shapes for fingers and squares for palms. And I kept practicing these shapes all the day to absorb better and effectively. Drawing shapes is a bit easier method in comparison to draw directly hands without having any general idea. Breaking into simple shapes before drawing anything is a good habit, or you can say it's a blueprint for the artist. And that's why I decided to break these things into simple shapes like cylinders and rectangles, or you can say squares, so that it gets easier to absorb the things. Okay, after practicing the basic shapes for the whole day, I've got a basic idea of how to initially make the foundation of drawing hands. For now, I can focus on the next step. On day 2, we are gonna understanding the proportions and joints. Did you know that the fingers are not completely straight? I mean, they bend to a particular direction. The fingers are so stiff that can move or bend towards one direction, and that is towards the palm. Understanding fingers, proportions and how they bend changed everything for me. Understanding finger proportions is essential because fingers naturally curve and taper rather than being straight and uniform, making it easier to place the fingers in the right position. Each finger has 3 joints, except the thumb, which has 2, and their alignment is not in a straight row. They naturally fan out from the palm. By practicing with simple shapes first, like cylinders for fingers and a box for the palm, it becomes easier to grasp the structure. This approach avoids stiff, robotic-looking hands and ensure your drawings look like more fluid and natural. And in the day 3, we are focusing on gestures and flow. Today, I focused on getting that natural movement, practiced hands holding objects, dramatic gesture drawings, quick motion lines, and this was a game changer. Gesture and flow are essential to making hand drawings look natural and dynamic instead of stiff and robotic. Gesture drawing involves capturing the movement, rhythm and flow of the hand in just few seconds. Instead of focusing on small details, you quickly sketch the overall action and motion of the hand. Hands are rarely in static, straight positions. They curl, stretch, twist and interact with objects in expressive ways. In drawing, focus on the direction of the movement rather than outlining fingers right away. Motion lines or loose sketches helps bring out the natural energy in a pose. To practice, try 30-second sketches of hands and various positions, emphasizing curves and movements rather than details. Over time, this helps develop fluidity and confidence in your drawings. In day 4, I'm gonna focus on the thumb. Why is the thumb always the villain? Because it's not just another finger, it is its own rebel. Trick is to treat it as an independent limb with unique movement and flexibility. I spent the day isolating the thumb in the sketches, studying how it bends, rotates and grips objects. At first, my thumb looked like weird sausage, but after breaking it down into simple shapes, and then I got to know that actually the first joint of the thumb starts from the middle line of the palm, and the length of the rest of the finger is equal to the distance of the first joint to the original point of the thumb. And after a lot of study and practicing about hand and gaining some basic necessary information, I continued to practice for the day 5 and 6, the same process which I practiced in the previous days. And this is the final output I got. I can say that my impression about drawing hands are pretty improved than my previous drawings. And that's how I finally cracked the code on drawing hands. It's all about breaking things down, particularly practicing daily and pushing past the awkward phase So now it's your turn. Try this challenge and improve your drawing about hands. And thanks for watching this video till the end, and I hope you learned something from this video. And don't forget to improve your drawing. Subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and like button.